Living in India, how many times have you ordered a piping hot pizza from Domino's with those exceptionally yummy garlic breads and that out of this world cheesy dip? I bet quite a few times. We all have. And that's precisely why this piece of information is very important for all of us. Domino's India, which is owned by Jubilant FoodWorks, has apparently fallen victim to a massive data leak. The hackers have reportedly published crucial customer data on the dark web. The data contains details of lakhs of Domino's India customers and employees. As per the reports, sensitive customer data like names, phone numbers, and even credit card details have been accessed by these hackers. Additionally, cybersecurity experts have also informed that these hackers also leaked at least 18 crore orders received by Domino's India. Overall, some 13 terabytes of data has been hacked. Alan Gall, an Israel-based co-founder of cybercrime intelligence firm Hudson Rock, tweeted that the hacker put up the data of Domino's India for a sale for approximately 4 crore rupees meant for a single buyer. Media reports claim that this is 7 years worth of data from Domino's India. However, in what can come as some respite for all of us is the fact that Domino's India has clarified that the financial information of any customer was not leaked in this hack. In addition, they also stated that the breach has not affected any operations or businesses of Domino's in any way. In a statement, Domino's said, "As a policy, we do not store financial details or credit card data of our customers, thus no such information has been compromised. Our team of experts is investigating the matter and we have taken necessary actions to contain the incident." But surprisingly, it's not the first time that Domino's has been targeted by the hackers. Back in June 2014 also, hackers who call themselves Rex Mundi had breached Domino's customer data and demanded a ransom of 30,000 euros, which the company had refused to pay. Instead, Domino's asked all its customers to quickly change their passwords. And did you know that Domino's is not the only big brand that has fallen victim to this kind of a data breach by hackers? MobiKwik's data was also hacked last month in a string of other hacking incidents involving Indian firms in the recent past, including BigBasket, BuyUcoin, JustPay, and Upstox. You will be shocked to know that the alleged data breach at MobiKwik affected its 3.5 million users, exposing their KYC details like addresses, phone numbers, Aadhaar card numbers, and even their PAN card numbers. The size of this data was reported to be 8.2 terabytes, but MobiKwik has denied the breach. Sundar N. Balasubramaniam, MD of the Checkpoint Software Technologies, told Business Standard that based on their research, on an average, an organization in India has been hacked 1,681 times a week in the past 6 months. This is 2.5 times higher than the global average of 667 attacks internationally. Clearly, there needs to be an increased focus on cybersecurity. But as usual, there are huge challenges in India, and the alleged breach at Domino's once again highlights the lack of legal and operational remedies that are available to Indians in case their data is leaked online. Now, India does not have a specific law dealing with data breach cases of the users. The Personal Data Protection Bill, which is proposed to deal with such cases, has been pending in the Lok Sabha since 2019. Earlier this month, Facebook and LinkedIn also saw data leaks of millions of users, including the data of many Indian users. While both admitted that the customer data had been leaked, both also said it wasn't hacked from their own systems but had been scrapped from elsewhere. This means that the hacker used an application to extract valuable information from a website. Now, cyber experts say that even the best security systems in the world cannot keep attackers away from sensitive data in all circumstances. Now, this is another example of how all good things come with their own set of challenges. Digital payments and online banking bring so many conveniences for all of us, but at the same time, it also exposes us to such risks, which is why it is very important to be informed and be aware at all the times and do whatever it takes to protect ourselves from these vultures who prey on our data and ultimately our hard-earned income. Let me know your thoughts on this story in the comment section below. We can chat about this or any other story on Instagram. My handle is @reviewron. You can of course subscribe here if you find my videos worth it, but even if you don't, thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind.